He's already recording.
Yes,
this is the Peep.
This is the Peep.
Record.
In the microwave.
Exploding Peeps, let's go.
As you can tell, I'm not the only one recording.
Right? Great. Hit the button. Watch the Peep explode. As you can see, our reflections in the door. I'm gonna get all close to you.
Oh, there it goes.
Exploding people, oh god.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my
What's
god.
it doing? Is it getting bigger? Why is it getting so big, y'all?
It's getting huge, it's a beast.
Smells like marshmallow up in there. What's going on up in there?
We're at 30 seconds here on the microwave. It's not exploding. It just keeps expanding. Look at this. Oh god. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All up on it. Deflate. Look, even small.
This is your brain on drugs.
Oh, at least to make myself. Oh, wait, we're still going?
Yes.
I stopped recording.
We haven't exploded it yet.
Okay. Continue recording.
There it goes again.
Look, it's rising again.
I'll let it explode within the next 15 seconds.
Explode, man, explode.
It's starting to smoke.
Oh, yep. It's done. It's done. It's done, man.
Yep.
I'm done recording.
This is your brain on drugs.
Right. Gotta watch this. Oh god, like. It didn't make mess.
And this is your brain after drugs.
Right.
This is what happens to your brain if you text and drive.